Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Sambut Menteri Rangba Kajala ba Preston Tynsong Hanegasngi habai keren berkinong tok khobor ulayatu ba sorkar kala aibor haki pulit pan penchitom ya ke ba penken ya ke kendon shu la ban rabru da ka baong ni haban le ya ka ni namar ki pajba kim ken kor ya ka jingpatha idai ban Shim ya ka Jingkitkhlieh na ka Bynta Ïalade habai dai berkejing ya ki trop nagaleng sambut Menteri Rangba ulaong ba kajala jungi kadai kajala kaba ki kali ki haban ya langba ngimla ban khangi ki trop ki balek shaki wai pat ki jala ki bahaban ya langba na kajala mikhalaya.
Whether you do it complete or not complete, what I'm trying to tell you is this. That's what I'm telling you. We decided today. From next week, aggressive campaign has to be made, be it urban, be it rural area. We need to do that because see, behavioral change is a need of our right now. We need that people should understand the gravity of the spread of this coronavirus. Unlike last year, but this year I'm telling you, so dangerous, so grim. You cannot take it for granted. You can't say that no, I'm safe, I'm okay, I'm fine. I can move out, move in wherever I want to go or wherever I want to come in. So our request, therefore, right now to every concerned citizen of the state, please take care of yourself. Unnecessary movement, I think it is better you stop totally, except due to unavoidable circumstances where you have to come out of your house or you have to go for buying your essential items or going to hospitals. These that we authorize police to do the needful. We have already told the district administration, take stern action against the violators. You need to take stern action. That's why I'm telling you, why do we have to do that? We have to do that just because people, they keep ignoring the appeal of the government. That's what I'm telling you, the need of the hour right now is, let every citizen of the state take the responsibility individually, that if I feel that I don't need to go, why should I go? But right now it seems people who does not need, but they come home. They feel bored. They want to stay at home. We don't say that stay at home. Even ourselves, we don't want people to just stay at home. We knew your livelihood. We understand the ground reality. But why we have to insist? Why ultimately we have to impose? It's just because of that. Because now the spread, I think they must have seen it every day. The cases keep increasing. And the death rate also keep increasing. So therefore it is so dangerous. We cannot just ignore the advisories and also the regulation made by the government. Let's not talk about it. We are in the midst of fighting. We are fighting to make sure that we contain the spread of the virus. And now if we start talking about we have to do this, do that, do this, do that, I think we should not mix up.
The lockdown has really affected people's livelihood. So, and at the same time, parents are made to pay the school fees.
That's what I'm saying. We are yet to take a decision because every day we are reviewing about the spread of the virus. You need to understand that point, right? Please understand. Be it NGO, be the concerned citizen of the state. Please understand the situation that we face right now. The situation is, as I said to you, is so grim. It is very, very bad. So we don't want that it get worse. So therefore, we keep meeting every day. And even if we don't meet every day, our phone is always 24/7. Because we need to take a decision wherever need be to take a decision. So therefore, as I said to you right now, our focus is how to make sure that the spread does not further deteriorate. Those commercial trucks, we have not closed it. When did we close? We did not. Because see, we have to adjust ourselves between the livelihood and also the spread of this virus. That's what this national way, being the transit state we did not close totally. We cannot also close totally because it is a transit state where people have to move in and out via Meghalaya. 65 and above, the stock is still there and will be able to complete. Those people who have just completed the first vaccine, they will be able to complete for the second half vaccine.